Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best filthy olives is probably one of the most divisive snacks out there. Some people are completely obsessed, while others are utterly repulsed. But if you're intrigued by the idea of intensely flavored, briny olives that pack a punch, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of filthy olives, exploring what makes them so unique, and helping you decide if they're the right briny treat for you. Number 5. Filthy Olive Brine Cocktail Mix. Tired of messy olive brine? This 5x filtered, oil-free brine makes the perfect dirty martini every time. It's the secret weapon for cocktail lovers. It's so easy. Just add your favorite vodka or gin. Enjoy it anywhere, at the beach, poolside, or even at home. Each pouch makes about 15 martinis. This premium brine is made from our naturally cured olives. It's non-GMO, vegan, and gluten-free, offering a rich, woody, and nutty flavor profile. It comes in a recyclable, lightweight, and break-proof pouch. It's perfect for travel and makes enjoying cocktails on the go a breeze. It's served in the best bars, restaurants, and even on cruise ships and airlines worldwide. Experience the filthy difference. What we like? It's the easiest way to make a delicious dirty martini anywhere. Just add your favorite liquor and enjoy. If you are looking for a convenient and eco-friendly option for your next cocktail party, this is it. What people say. Less salty than most olive brines but still has great flavor. Very clean tasting and not a lot of junk in it. The perfect olive brine for making a dirty martini. I've used other brines and nothing compares to this one. Number 4. Filthy Cocktail Garnish Olives. Tired of ordinary cocktails? These olives will transform your drinks. They're the perfect addition to elevate your martini or Bloody Mary. Made in Miami with high-quality ingredients, they're large queen olives hand-stuffed with real Wisconsin blue cheese. Each olive is bathed in our special oil-free brine. The sharp, tangy blue cheese perfectly complements the briny olives, creating a flavor explosion in every bite. It's a taste sensation you won't forget. This sleek glass jar is the ideal addition to any home bar. It keeps your olives fresh and ready to use, making entertaining a breeze. These olives are naturally cured, non-GMO, and gluten-free. They contain no artificial sweeteners, colors, or flavors, ensuring the best possible taste. The world's best bars, restaurants, cruise ships, and airlines serve these olives. Now, you can enjoy the same quality at home. These aren't just olives, they're an experience. Add them to your next cocktail and prepare to impress your guests. What we like? These olives will elevate your cocktails to the next level. They're perfect for adding a sophisticated touch to your drinks. If you like a unique and flavorful garnish, you should definitely consider this. What people say. The olives are the perfect size and consistency. They are tender but not mushy. The blue cheese filling is incredible. It has a mild and smoky flavor that is not too strong and complements the olive flavor perfectly. The olives are the absolute best, but the blue cheese is the bomb, which makes all the difference. The taste is good, not overly salty. Number 3. Filthy Bloody Mary Cocktail Kit. Let's get started. It includes everything you need for a delicious Bloody Mary, except the vodka. These aren't your average olives. Made in Miami, they're large, queen olives hand-stuffed with mini gherkins and brine to perfection. For a spicy kick, try these. They're also large queen olives, but these are hand-stuffed with Moroccan red piri peppers. This mix is made with real tomatoes, fresh herbs, and spices. It's all natural, with no preservatives or artificial ingredients. 4 elegant stainless steel picks are included to garnish your drinks. They add a touch of class to your Bloody Mary. This kit makes a fantastic gift for any Bloody Mary enthusiast. Simply add vodka, and enjoy. What we like? It has everything you need for a perfect Bloody Mary. It's perfect for parties or gifts. If you love Bloody Marys and want a convenient way to make them, this kit is for you. What people say. The Bloody Mary mix is just right for one serving. I put on a toothpick the stuffed olives and added a sweet hot pickle and celery stick. Not as quick as a bartender but tastes just as good. Fabulous when serving as suggested. Add a smoky bacon strip to make it better. It was spicy and delicious and easy to pull together. Number 2. Filthy food olives. These aren't your average olives. They're queen olives, hand-stuffed with creamy blue cheese and ready to elevate your martini. Each olive is carefully filled with our special blue cheese mixture. Made with love and care in Miami, Florida. We start with the finest natural queen olives. They're plump, juicy, and bursting with flavor. These olives are bathed in our unique oil-free brine, which enhances the natural flavors without adding unnecessary fat. They're presented in classic glass jars, perfect for storing and showcasing these gourmet olives. These olives are the perfect garnish for your next martini. They add a delicious salty, creamy, and tangy kick. They're also non-GMO and gluten-free, so everyone can enjoy them. A delicious and healthy addition to your bar. What we like? These olives are a luxurious addition to any cocktail. They're perfect for those who appreciate quality ingredients and a beautiful presentation. If you're looking for a premium garnish for your next martini, this is the one. What people say. The absolute best blue cheese stuffed olive I've ever had. Large, delicious green olives stuffed with excellent Wisconsin blue cheese is an ideal match. I've had better in very high-end restaurants, though these are extremely good. Number 1. Filthy blue cheese olives. These aren't your average olives. They're stuffed with rich, Wisconsin blue cheese and brine to perfection, making them the ideal cocktail garnish. It's the perfect addition to elevate your favorite cocktails. They're specifically designed to enhance your drinking experience. We use only premium Wisconsin blue cheese. The sharp, creamy flavor is unlike anything you've ever tasted in an olive. Unlike regular olives, these are oil-free and low in sodium. Enjoy the bold cheese flavor without the extra salt or oil. They're the ideal garnish for classic cocktails like martinis and Bloody Marys. They add a unique and delicious twist. These olives are more than just a garnish, they're a statement. They add a touch of elegance and flavor to any cocktail. What we like? It's the perfect garnish for cocktails. It's a healthier alternative to regular olives. If you want a high-quality, low-sodium olive for your cocktails, this is the best choice. What people say. Stock up. I buy a big 64 ounces jar once a month, add sriracha, la dirty juice, light vermouth, shake with passion. Normally I buy these in Virginia ABC stores, that is the only place I have found them except for Amazon. They are large, softish and the blue cheese inside is creamy and flavorful. The best. Yeah, these are a must for my martinis. Firm body, great blue cheese filling, perfect brine. Makes an amazing dirty martini. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.